Ofiisi y'omutonganirizi wa gavumenti eyibahira abantu ba Bunyoro neshanga omu rurembo rwa Hoima kandi egi neeza kuba neehereza amagezi omu biragiro omu kushuganisa abantu okuyamba omu kuhangaho ebiragiro okuyamba omu kukora oburagwa n'enshonga ezindi ezirikwetaaga obuhabuzi bw'omutonganirizi wa gavumenti.
My Lord, your worship, the accounting officers present, the RCC, members of the allied institutions, you're all welcome to this day. This is a day that the Lord has made. I give the analogy of a birth of a child. It is how we feel about the birth of a new child.
Omuhwezi wa Solicitor General Charles Ouma oyebembire okwiguraho ofiisi egi omu butongore agizire ngu ekigendererwa n'okutaho orutindo omu buheereza bw'ebiragiro n'oburinganiza omu bantu ba Bunyoro.
For the very good work that you have done, and we hope that it should be quite a bit of a relief to you. It gives you time to review your files, the ones that you're left with, much more, and dedicate more diligence to those that you're left with. Continue serving the people of Toro and Acholi. Thank you very much.
We have about 47 cases involving the Office of the Attorney General. And these cases are cases that were also having NFA and the road fund involved, the UNRWA.
Omuramuzi wa kote nkuru eya Hoima OPN Vincent atangirire ofiisi egi ari kugira ngu neija kuhwera abantu b'obutosha.
We have over 5,000 people involved, more especially on the compensation related cases. We had a discussion with Isaac and with the assistant registrar that we need to do something fast enough and make people feel the impact of the presence of the Office of Attorney General in Hoima.
Omuhikirwa w'obukama bwa Bunyoro Andrew Byakutaga ojwekirwe Alex Katusabe asimire gavumenti ahabwo kubateekateekaho ngo ahabwo kuba ofiisi egi neija kuhwera abantu ba Bunyoro omu kumanya ebiragiro.
Account for 13,343 pending cases, representing approximately 31.47% of all pending cases in the High Court circuits nationwide. However, the situation within our region is even more significant than the national average.
For long, we have been, as government, finding challenges, especially local governments, in accessing services of the Solicitor General being our lawyer at the countryside and in local governments.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.